Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to talk over the spawn logic for the emerald and the gem in my Fox Defense game. I mentioned in the last video that we updated these enemies to use a timer system instead of just spawning projectiles when they're directly over the player. When you play the game, you'll see this because there are a lot more projectiles spawning and the difficulty is more consistent. What you're looking at right here is the implementation of the timer system. Basically, how this works is when the gem hits the border, it toggles two Boolean states. These are what we use as our spawn timers for the rock and the taffy, respectively. Basically, what this does is when the gem hits the border, it will stop spawning either enemy, so we don't spawn rocks or taffies in the border where you can't reach them. And then this also lets us have a condition under which the gem or the emerald will spawn projectiles. So anytime the gem is not touching the border, it will start to spawn rocks and taffies. And the spawn rate in the Game Changer platform is limited to 1 every 0.5 seconds. So as we can see when we play the game, we can see that the gem is spawning every so often. Once we get into the emerald stage, it will start to spawn a lot more often. Let's see if I can get that. All right, here's the gem. We can see that it spawns a lot more often. This is, I believe, the max spawn rate in Game Changer. I also implemented these two lines of code because occasionally the gem will spawn an enemy right at the edge of the screen, which you can't actually get with your Fox. Sometimes a turret will be able to shoot it, but if it can't, you're just stuck watching the enemy come down the side of the screen and you lose. So by implementing these two conditions, we make sure that no projectile can go anywhere the Fox can. So you can always defend against any projectile that may spawn. So that was just a quick overview of the spawn logic behind the gem and the emerald in my game. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.